Hi, my name is Yogesh Mishra and talk about the next 5 words, and we'll talk about the synonyms and we'll talk about the more words that are related to that word. So please sit with pen and paper so that you can note down all the things. Okay, so let's start. The first word today is succulent. And what does this word succulent means? Succulent means a thing which is full of juice. Full of juice or full of something. Okay, so we can call anything succulent which is delicious. Okay, we can call it delish, D-E-L-I-S-H, delish. We can also call that thing palatable. Okay, and we can also call that thing ambrosial. Ambrosial. Okay, so these are the words which are related to succulent: delicious, delish, palatable, and ambrosial. So talking about the synonym of this word, sucking हो सकता है क्या? नहीं. Sucking is to just suck. Okay. Soft, no. Soft जो चीज बहुत ज्यादा soft है, delicate है, उसको बोलेंगे. Juicy, yes. Juicy तो इसका मीनिंग ही है full of juice. A full of juice तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Juicy. So the correct answer to this question is C. Pale. Pale is the word which is used for if a person is sad. So we can say that person is pale. Okay. Yellowish. ठीक है. Moving on to the next word. Next word is congregation. Okay. So the word congregation is used for assembly of large crowd. What I said? Assembly of large crowd. ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी मात्रा में अगर कहीं पे लोग इकट्ठे हैं तो उसे क्या बोला जाएगा? कॉन्ग्रीगेशन. ऐसे कुंभ इज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट कॉन्ग्रीगेशन इन द वर्ल्ड. ओके, सो एन असेंबली ऑफ पीपल या पर्सन्स, उसको कॉन्ग्रीगेशन बोला जाता है. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द सिनोनिम ऑफ कॉन्ग्रीगेशन, सो वी कैन सी दैट मीटिंग and muster. These are the synonym of congregation. Muster and meeting. Muster, M-U-S-T-E-R, and meeting. So talking about the synonym of this word, discussion हो सकता है क्या? नहीं. Discussion मतलब किसी के साथ डिस्कस करना कोई चीज. Attention, ध्यान देना किसी चीज को, बिल्कुल नहीं. Contraction हो सकता है. Contraction means किसी चीज को क्या कर देना? Contract कर देना एक जगह पे. ठीक है, तो एक जगह पे निचोड़ देना एक तरीके से. असेंबली, यस, असेंबली तो इसका मीनिंग ही है असेंबली ऑफ पर्सन्स या असेंबली ऑफ लार्ज क्राउड. तो असेंबली, ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. लेट अस मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एट्रोसिटी. एट्रोसिटी. सो एट्रोसिटी का मीनिंग क्या होता है? टॉकिंग अबाउट द मीनिंग ऑफ द एट्रोसिटी, जस्ट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर that you have to focus on the meaning of this word. If you know the meaning of this word, you will automatically get the answer. अगर उसका meaning नहीं पता होगा तो फिर आपको बहुत difficulty होगी. Okay, so talking about the word and the meaning of this word, so अगर मैं इसकी बात करूं तो atrocity का मतलब होता है cruelty. Okay, then फिर उसके बाद मैं कह सकता हूं कि inhumanity or showing inhuman behavior. Then I can say sadism. Okay, I can also say viciousness, or I can say that wantonness. Please note down this word. I'm sure you will not get these words even in newspaper also. So, and they appear in examination. I'm telling you, these are highly frequent words. So cruelty, inhumanity, sadism, viciousness, and wantonness. These are all the words which are synonymous to atrocity. And I deliberately left one word, that is called barbarity or barbarianness. So the correct answer to this question is option B, barbarity. Shy, जो बहुत ही क्या है? शर्मीला है. Gloomy is a person who is sad or So quickly, let's move on to the next word. So the next word is procrastinate. You must have heard this word more often by your teacher, that do not procrastinate, or procrastination is a bad habit. So procrastination means to intentionally delay something, किसी चीज को टालना, टाल मटोल करते रहना is called procrastination. Divert मतलब एक जगह से अपनी राह से भटक जाना नहीं. Debase मतलब अपने बेस से हट जाना, ये भी नहीं होगा. Delay is the right answer for this word. Let us talk about the word deceive. What does deceive means? And please note down all the words that I am going to tell. Deceive means किसी को धोखा देना, ठीक है. एंड यू कैन से, अगर किसी ने धोखा दिया है तो ही bamboozled you, he beguiled you, okay, beguiled you. Next can say that person has deluded you, delude, D-E-L-U-D-E, delude. Or I can say that you have been duped by some person, or I can say that this is hoaxing, H-O-A-X, hoax, or I can say that you have been hoodwinked. So मैं एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर देता हूं. hoodwink, hoax, dupe, delude, beguile and bamboozled. These all are the synonym of the word deceive. And the correct answer for procrastination was delay, option D. Let us move on to the next word. Talking about the next word. Next word is mellifluous. 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 What does this word mellifluous means? Mellifluous means having a smooth or rich flow. And if a person has a smooth or rich flow, then his speaking is very pleasant. ठीक है, तो ये बोल सकता हूं मैं. इसके synonyms क्या हो सकते हैं? इसके synonym हो सकते हैं euphonious, ओके. melodic बिल्कुल हो सकता है, ठीक है. मेलो हो सकता है क्या? बिल्कुल हो सकता है, ठीक है. और क्या हो सकता है? स्मूथ तो हमने ऑलरेडी बोल दिया है. तो यूफोनियस, मेलोडिक एंड मेलो, ऑल आर द सिनोनिम ऑफ दिस वर्ड. सो नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द करेक्ट आंसर अमंग द ऑप्शंस. शिवर इज मींस क्वेरिंग और ट्रेम्बल, कांपना. फ्रैंक, अ पर्सन हु इज वेरी फ्रैंक, ओपन एंड फ्रेंडली, उसको फ्रैंक कहते हैं, ये भी नहीं होगा. इमोरल, हु इज नॉट एट ऑल मॉरल, is called immoral. Dull kid, what do you mean by dull kid? Dull kid is the thing which is sweet to the taste. Something clicked your mind? Yes, this is the answer. Okay. Smooth, rich, pleasant, sweet to the taste. Okay. Or pleasing to the ear. Sorry, not air. Pleasing to the ear. So the correct answer to this question is dull kid. So I hope you enjoyed this session. I'll soon meet you with the new 5 words. Till then, keep learning and keep watching Englishwala. Thank you.